Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G31. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning enter Google Pay app and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport card. Select your card you want to add, for example Payback Poland, and scan your card or enter details manually. Tap save and it's done. Now, let's add gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, for example Decathlon. Enter your details and tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.